So, today, I'll play some of, in my opinion, worst and best Helis in War Thunder. I'll start from ones that make me clinically depressed to ones that are supposedly godlike.
Whoa, don't look at it. Just kidding. Definitely look at it.
Starting out, to no surprise, the first Heli will be the Me4V. For whatever reason, Russian_bias.exe stopped working for this one, and the snail decided it'd be a good idea to give the Soviets a literal cargo heli to fight tanks with. Really? Is there nobody coming this way? I don't think anyone's coming. I swear if I crash, I'm gonna lose it. It's just so fat.
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! Bigger weapons! Bigger weapons!
Anyway, moving on, we have the AB-205. Now this Huey is surprisingly fast, mostly because it is very light due to the fact it carries a pathetic 16 rockets. Also for this one I'll be teaming up with the one and only Bruce Leroy, who is a far more competent pilot than me.
I don't know if it's a good idea to land here. It is definitely not a good idea to land here. There's a BTR. The tank over here, the leopard.
How did they get over there? How did no one see them? I love this map. This is probably my second favorite air map next to Sun City.
Yeah, this one's really good.
Oh, I crashed.
That complicates fucking thing.
Well, I guess that didn't turn out so bad either. Also, as per usual, I'll get a rocket kill on my RPG5 for each Patreon, so make sure to join so you can get your name in here too. Yo, like seriously, I don't get AdSense or revenue from YouTube because I'm only 16, meaning I can't feed my family, I'm gonna go bankrupt, I'll be homeless. Next we have the Japanese Huey. This one is, it could be better. It only carries 38 rockets, and its handling is not great, as it refuses to roll past 20 degrees without slamming into the ground faster than you could say skill issue.
Knows where it is at all times.
Not good.
Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose. You should kill yourself now. What are you here for? To worship me? Kill yourself.
Huh. Okay. Maybe I should not be so quick to dunk on these Helis. Well, anyway.
S'mores brownie topping on top. Do you think you guys could finish this alone, or would you have to share? What's up, guys? This is the Campfire S'mores Chocolate. What's up, guys? This is the Campfire.
Next, there is the Me-24A. Now, this heli does have a few things going for it. For once, it carries a very nice amount of rockets, and it's also very fast. But the pros kind of end there. It's extremely fat, a lot like your mama, and flat out refuses to change course once you pass the max speed of a Toyota Hilux. What? Why?
Oh my god, young man. Kill yourself!
Wonder if I'm gonna get team killed again. I'm just gonna stick with my team for this one, honestly. I'll just provide like rocket support or something. Ow. Ow. Yeah, that was unsurprising. On to the next heli, we have the AH-1G. I have a bit of a complicated relationship with the AH-1G. You see, it, sure, has great weapons, but it also has an engine about as weak as the American political system, and also to mention, its handling is to be desired. Oh, what? No lift! Zero lift! Well, moving on. We have the Gazelle. And whatever this thing is. Now don't get me wrong, the Gazelle is an amazing heli. However, my only issue with it is that I don't really gel with its flight model, because I find it quite unstable. But as Bruce Leroy proves, it absolutely can be mastered. Let's see how we do.
天啊，年轻人，自杀吧！
It's over. Not bad, not bad. What about the Z11? Well, let me show you. It speaks for yourself. Next we have the H1E. Now this heli in theory should be really good. It's got a better airframe than the H1GE, and engines that are actually competent at keeping the heli above the ground. And great weapons too. Oh, come on. I was trying to adjust my rockets and Lastly, we have the Glinks, my favourite heli in War Thunder. It handles insanely well, and even though it only gets 38 rockets, that's more than enough to do well. Really, its only weakness is that on sharp turns, it has a nasty habit of dropping all its RPM and falling from the air like a stone. But disregarding that, watch this. Yeah. Well, that's it for today. Make sure to join my Patreon and Discord, and I'll see you next time.